students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss trigonometrical ratios. I am going to continue solving exercise problems. Exercise 22b. Question number 4. In the given figure, triangle ABC is right angled at B. D is the foot of the perpendicular. From BC, B to AC. Given that BC is equal to 3 centimeter and AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the first one, tan angle DBC, and the second one, sin DBE. Okay, this is a given diagram. This is A, B, C, D. D, it is going to be makes the angle 90 degree, and as well as here in the triangle ABC, B it is a right angle. This is 4 centimeter and this we have 3 centimeter. Solution. Since the given ABC is a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, ABC, by using this right angle triangle, we are going to find out the AC length by using Pythagoras theorem. The formula here, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB it is 4 square, BC is 3 square, 4 square it is 16 plus 3 square is 9. So we got 25 AC square. AC is equal to plus or minus root 25. So finally we got AC is equal to 5. Positive we need to take to measure the angle. So here AC length, this complete length, that is 5 centimeter. Just the given triangle, I am going to split two right angles. BD it is going to be divides the given triangle into two triangles. Okay, now here I am going to choose two triangles. One it is CBD. In triangle CBD, this triangle I am going to choose. So in this triangle D it is 90 degree, so I can mention this is a D. D it is 90 degree, and I can consider this is C and this is B. Okay, now I am going to consider the big triangle. Okay, when you consider this big triangle, only you have here B it is going to be the 90 degree. So I can mention this is B is a 90 degree. Small triangle also C is common, and here in the big triangle also C it is common. So I can write C on the top here, and we left with A. Just I am going to write here this is A, and as well as I am going to write the measurement of the sides. So here BC value it is 3 centimeter. Here if you consider, here also the BC length it is going to be 3 centimeter. And next here AB it is 4 centimeter. and AC value it is 5 centimeter. So this is a given value. So remember here angle D is equal to angle B. So and I can take the another triangle CBA. Now if you observe this two triangles, you see it is going to be common angle in both the triangles. So here angle DCB is equal to angle BCA. Both it is common. In both the triangle, angle C is common angle. And the next one, angle CDB is equal to angle CBA. So here CDB and here CBA, both it is 90 degree, each 90 degree. And the next, if you observe here, if two angles of the triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, means even the third angle also it will be equal. So I can write here angle CBD is equal to angle CAB. Both it is equal by AA postulate. So we can say here, therefore the triangle CBD is similar to triangle CBA. So both it is similar. When both the triangles are similar, then their ratios it will be equal. The sides of their ratio. First I am going to consider in the numerator as a first triangle, and here this is a second triangle which I am going to write in the denominator. So in the numerator AC value it will be equal to BC denominator. So I can write AC divided by BC is equal to, next here AB divided by BD. The third side we have CB in the numerator, CB divided by CD. So I have written the common ratios. Now as well as we have to substitute the values. Here we have AC value is 5 centimeter, BC value it is 3 centimeter, AB value is 4 centimeter, and here BD we need to find. Okay, just I am going to take these two ratios to find here BD. So here BD is equal to, when you shift this denominator to the opposite side, it will be numerator 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter, and if you shift this numerator opposite side, it will be denominator as 5 centimeter. So we got here centimeter it will get cancelled. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 5 centimeter. So we got here BD is equal to 12 divided by 5. Actually in the question what we need to find? We need to find tan angle DBC, and as well as the second sub question sine angle DBA we need to find. Okay, this is DBC. In DBC we need to find a tan. So here angle B is the angle of reference. So opposite to this angle, this is the opposite side, and opposite to right angle, this is hypotenuse side, and this is adjacent side. So here to find here tan formula is opposite divided by adjacent. So to find here opposite side, I need to use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse side is BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square. So BC value it is 3 square is equal to CD square plus BD value it is 12 divided by 5 whole square. So 3 square it is 9 is equal to CD square plus 12 square value it is 144 divided by 25. So 9 minus, when you shift this plus to the opposite side, it will be minus 144 divided by 25 is equal to CD square. Okay, 25 into 9, it is 225 minus 144 divided by 25 is equal to CD square. From 225, if you subtract 144, you will get 81. You will get 81 divided by 25 is equal to CD square. So we got here CD is equal to 9 square divided by 5 square. So you will get CD is equal to 9 by 5. Okay. Now here I can find the first question. We need to find tan angle DBC is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. So opposite side we have, just now we found it is 9 by 5. 9 by 5 divided by adjacent it is 12 by 5. So here you will get 9 by 5 into 5 by 12. Here 5 it will get cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So finally we got the answer is 3 by 4. Tan angle DBC is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, next here we need to find the second sub question, sine angle DBA. Just I am going to draw the given triangle first. Given this is A and this is B and here it is C. This is angle D. The values are, this is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, and we found here this 5 centimeter. Just I will mention here, this is 5 centimeter. This complete angle it is 5 centimeter, A to C. So here AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, now listen carefully. Here we found CD. CD value it is a 9 by 5. So here if you want to find out AD value, AD is equal to AC minus CD. So here AC value it is 5 minus CD it is a 9 by 5. So here if you do cross multiplication, 5 is a 25 minus 9 divided by 5, it is 16 by 5. So we got here it is 16 by 5. Okay, now we need to find out here BD value, because we need to find DBA. By using this triangle only we need to find. So we know if this is a 90 degree, even D this side also it will be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Opposite to this is hypotenuse side and angle B. So this is the angle B. Opposite to this theta value, here it is going to be opposite side. Sine is equal to opposite by adjacent. So you have these two values. Directly I can write here the second sub question, sine angle DBA is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse side. So opposite we have here AD divided by hypotenuse side it is AB. So here AD value is 16 by 5 whole divided by AB value it is 4 is equal to, AD is equal to 16 divided by 5. This instead of this division, if you replace it as multiplication, 4 reciprocal is 1 by 4. So we will get here 1 4 is 4, 4 4 is 16. So finally we got 4 by 5. Therefore sine triangle DBA is equal to 4 by 5. So this is the final answer.